Today now so will be the place. Like we area where we dey so now. Like this Sansan, like how this river be dey so. The tell where me be nobody river. It not be big so. Don this Sansan and be there in eye like where we dey canal so for can play. Now jump we go over under.
Also where they make farm, like inside May we can begin for waiting and go for plant granite. But now inside May I plant granite, it not better. I don't plant up to 4 bushel, it don't die. Password they manage again for get than inside this June for planting because the sun warm too much.
The way look at this mangrove, we saw yeah, all over from here. Take go up and mangrove me there. So now because of human activity, people and they come for build around there. They don't cut all of them trees and they now they don't come build.
Type like Nyangai right now. Watch they. Where they see like inside that feed where they not to feed. Now been big tank. They left today, water don't eat today because they don't call the stick and they so the place they eat. Like yeah, so out in so now been healed. Yeah, load not been there. So the hill now don't turn water they come, we call them roots there. We dig the Sansan. That don't make yeah don't turn as load. The hill don't there. So with the patch. We have fishermen there still. They we call them mango stick there in a bush. Water they come now, we say the water been they stop, you're not going to stop it again. So water they don't eat all side.
You saw it map na the park. Us them been there. Now people them been they live today. Now warfare. Now they all man been they live today. But right now the town they don't left up because of water. According to the kind way where then the people and they come and they employ for camp put Sansan na the town. They claim it up. Stick them been there, don't warfare. Then they chop the stick then. Water no they water they want bog na kuna kredi.
Inside 5 years ago now, where would they see the water just they come because first the water be there far, but now the water is like the water don't come near, and it destroy we businesses. They destroy the beach, then the sand mining, even inside they destroy the beach.
Sansan be flop here, and we can't be the pass yourself, passport can't go around. But like now, so Sansan don't down. Even the beach don't bust at the swamp back. You see example, by this side of this fence here, so don't be broke. Just because of Sansan don't down, water they can bang the fence, they hit them with power. And if stone back down, that time now it will extend for go before. The ground go still they eat the go before.
Mango roof the day before ya, but the water don't they. I think most of the people they be the cut and they be done the cut until that don't make all the water don't they carry inside the town.
climate change, when the temperature of the world they warm, it cause what we call sea level rise. That is that this water we near we, it grab small. It increase small, the Kaisai land small. Then people that way for instance, Konakry, the one the way they Shengi, the one the way they na Laka, na we kind of free to Laka, Hamilton, Godrich. Then self the sea say the water they Kaisai, it take the land. One time we go Laka, people they talk to them, they say old Laka be there. Me self not be no. They say this is a new Laka now we talk, but they say the old Laka water don't care go. So Hamilton, when I say see what me happy day, the water they can't say people are also going to water, people are not lost in property. Now we call sea level rise. The water level they rise, the water they can't say. So all that one in a climate change and global warming they cause out. We mortal man also now they help for let that to be. Because if we not be doing this world, something go natural, it will help people, we not go take close. But people not working on this world, we all defending for it, world technology they increase, when they do a lot of things, then when they pump greenhouse gas into the atmosphere, when they cut to tick them, like we say, cut tick the fitifata, when they make the breeze safe, when they blow in tick not for all the breeze. You understand me? So all that thing and they all they cause we young activity what they do. They help this global warming and climate change. Make I give an example. Them people where they pull them bokus and sand them, na them beach, na the area them, also na the near the water. Because I say Salone, na one coastal state we got blessed with water with the near we. If they give us sand, we get them mangrove, take those and fish that can go lay their egg, then they come out, then go to the ocean with the able fishermen, they forget more fish and everything. But we watermen, we have need that thing and they unfortunately. But the fitifata pool, the pool sand along the coastal area they dey. When I say coastal area, I mean the community then they were near the water. It help more for the water cancer. Because what is the sand they do? The sand they serve as what we call buffer, barrier between the water and the mainland. One way they cut them mangrove thick them along the coast. We say attack say fish, then they go lay egg, then they go born picking, then when they're not big, then go na water for make we get fish. When you go cut, then the fish come down, it not get size for lay egg again. It not get size, we say you go man is small one there. So how you want eat good fish? Then apart from that very mangrove it just like a thick na land where big breeze they blow. It protect we. It make the breeze not can destroy them tranga because the breeze they break the speed of the wind. It cushion. So the same mangrove along the coast now God puts on it for protect the coastal area the coastal community from the wrath of the sea. For the vex when the sea go vex it can't. When you cut something now, you don't get buffer again.
Today we be the bank the place. They buy bag there, we set na the wharf, then put sand, but we not able. The community, we didn't do that and they all. We not able. Then they go take stone there, then they couch there, and can put na the side there, they make like na, then they make genty, but we not able. Where water they can be, they broke. All thing. Now they will cry to government say, make them try for we get anything na ya.
We need government for help we and stop this sand mining, then and do something for we.
First we dey make like we dey plant them, stick them like them wire. We go able then root them now go able help we. The water they come, then that water not go able come up like I the car again because then root them then go stop that water.
Me wetin me want really, I want make them block the one the way they build the sand for sell. Let them block. If you not for you go plaster a room, then they not bad. For sell, let them block. We not want me them build for selling again.
Them and go the let people not contact after that 15 years then. We young picky them set for they bond them, then they do them say they go come and bond them tomorrow.
Make the big governments make them improve. If na job safe na motive for we or any kind of work we be say man go able hang they get money, they go carry money, they get money. And when me go see, say this kind of work, this kind of thing they could stop. Because at least we don't get outside they go, you know, say they go to Sansawa, they go Brookstone.
Until government put hand together with the local council, when the primary body for the government, until then self come, then put hand together for law enforce their laws there, before then go able all as a community.
So, waiting for do. The one where we don't cut mangrove tree. Where you don't cut her, waiting for plant and back. Master Sabi people are looking to help them. First time, last time they notice say now there's some projects and they will take place for help now from replanting mangrove the mangrove and liver. Just like how we can talk in a land, if you cut one tick, you plant one tick. You cut two tick, if you're able, you plant four. Now the same thing. Now then area then they, we shall not cut some mangrove then they, now for try for planting back. Then the way we pull the sansan then, now for find other where you put sansan a small bit, go elsewhere, you let family see bring in sansan, you go put sansan other side. Or we change the ways there. If not to say you build house with sansan and cement, means say you build house. You can find other block there. So fire bricks there. People are working in Canada now for make them. But then you build sober house with sober block there where you don't need for put too much sansan and cement. Projects are there on that side. We don't never put sansan, but when you pull half, Lafoki and Charles tell you what see bring more kind sign. Now we call replenishment. But if you just pull no more, you know they allow the sea for car replenish them. Like yourself, because you see the kind sign and take the land, what they call coastal erosion. And it will destroy property. It also they allow the water, the land for build up. And so when they pull us on Sunday, it cause problem. It enhance or it help the climate change. Then these are some of the things that we call the adaptation, so that we will be able to reduce the impact of the sea for we in the coastal area and help reduce the impact of climate change for our life there. Now we call adaptation strategy. So that will help we for make we able to face up to the challenges with global warming and climate change. They carry out our life.